came here just to come to this White Rabbit pop-up. I saw this on like one of the apps and I got super excited because it's very nostalgic for me, and I've actually bought like a ton of stuff already. I'll show you guys later. I'm lining up now to get like a drink. They even gave you like a little hand band thing. I've actually had a White Rabbit drink. Oh my god, it's so noisy. Anyway, there's a merch store right behind me over here. So there was one downstairs and it looked like a giant White Rabbit lolly, which I think is so cute. But this one over here, I'm gonna check this out afterwards, but I'm gonna get my drink first. I'm finally trying the White Rabbit milk tea. They had a few other flavors, but I couldn't really read the menu that well because it was all in Mandarin. I just saw that this was like White Rabbit milk tea, so I got it, but I think they had some with like pearls in them or like clear pearls, and I kind of wish that I got them. This one's just the milk tea itself, but I think it's actually really, really good. Way better than the one I had in Melbourne. Like the one in Melbourne was just like, it just tasted like milk with sugar in it. So White Rabbit kind of has like a milky condensed milk kind of flavor. I think this is really, really yum, and I feel like I will definitely come back to try the other drinks while I'm here. And also the packaging of everything is so cute. Like it came with the stand and even the cups is printed as well. So we're in a mall right now and the mall is actually really nice. It looks like a new-ish mall. Not that I know anything about this place anyway. I just came here literally for the drink, and yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and finish up my drink, and then we're gonna head to the pop-up store right behind me and see what else I can buy. I'll show you guys later what I picked up. Actually, I can show you now. I bought a few things from like the merch store, so I'll show you show you while I'm here. So I got this like tote bag. I think it's so cute. I got some shower creams, so there's like a big one and a small one, and then also I got a hand cream for my mom because I thought she would think this is really cute. It's so noisy. And then I also got a bottle of perfume, but the camera is sitting on top of it right now, so I'll show you guys when I get back. I don't really know what it smells like. There wasn't really a sample for the perfume, but they had like a paper that already had the perfume spritzed on it, and I couldn't really smell it that well, but I thought the packaging and everything was so cute. And all up I spent like maybe like $80 or $90 at the like buying all this stuff, which I think it's okay. And the drink was 22 yuan, which is, I still can't get the conversion right. Wait, let me look that up and I'll show you guys. The drink was $4.50, which I think it's still pretty affordable. I'm so amazed at how good the delivery service here. Last night I ordered like milk tea to my hotel, and because it was the first time I was using the app, they gave me a discount, and I only ended up paying like $2 for 2 cups of milk tea, which is crazy. I've been drinking way too many milk teas, but I love it. So I just got back to my hotel room. I took the DD back and actually had to have someone help me set my location, because in the maps they're all in Chinese and I can't really read Chinese. I can actually speak Chinese all right-ish, but then when it came to the maps I had no idea, and I just kept asking people. I'm like, is this here? It is so hot in Shanghai at the moment. I'm pretty sure it's like 35 degrees today. I just got some bread from one of the stores. I actually didn't eat lunch today, and because it's almost, yeah, it's 4 o'clock already. I didn't want to eat a meal because it's really close to dinner time, and I thought I'll save room for that. So I just got this bun thing. It has pork floss on top, and then on the sides is just spring onions. It's actually really good. I really want to open up this perfume. Perfume was about $58. Oh, it's actually quite a big bottle. Look at it. Ta-da! So cute! I don't know what I'm smelling. Yeah, essentially it kind of smells like White Rabbit, but with kind of like a, is it like a coconutty scent? I don't know. I'm making this up. There's something wrong with my nose, but I'm really glad I picked it up. I think this would be more of a like a winter fall scent. I don't think it's really suitable for this weather because it's really quite sweet. So yeah, I think that's all for now. Also, I'm so intrigued by food delivery services here as well as Taobao. So Taobao is kind of like a Chinese eBay, and everything there, like I'm just buying like small little things. So I'm like buying socks and like hair clips, and everything's so affordable. So I've actually placed like a few orders for things, but I'm not too sure if I filled out my address correctly. So hopefully the items show up. I heard that the delivery service here is really, really quick. So hopefully I get my stuff soon and I can show you guys. And because I'm here, all my friends told me to get Alipay, and it's been so like convenient. I feel like everyone here uses Alipay or WeChat Pay, and yeah. I kind of feel like I should do a vlog speaking Mandarin. Would that be weird? Yeah, like I said, I can speak Mandarin. I'm not very good at it. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep eating my bread, and then I guess I'll head out for dinner later. Today, so I picked up some buns and they look really good. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm looking forward to that. I ordered some teas as well. My mission here while I'm in Shanghai is to have as many milk teas as possible. I feel like I have at least 1 or 2 milk teas a day, so that's probably not super healthy. Also, I feel like I didn't do much today. I just got my nails done. I'll show you guys later. But I went to this place. It's like in this like office building, and it was like on the 22nd floor. I found it on one of the apps that my friend recommended me to get. I'm really happy with it. My nails cost like $60 to do, which is really affordable compared to what I would have to pay in Melbourne. Sorry I started the vlog like in the middle of the day because I didn't do much this morning. I just went to the gym and then did my nails. I'm gonna have to wait a while for the tea because it seems like quite a popular spot. Having said that though, I went to another tea shop that's here. It's called like Hey Tea, which is Cheetah, and I waited an hour for my damn tea. That was like way too long of a wait. The tea was good, but I feel like because I had to wait an hour, it's probably not worth the wait. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna eat the bread. I'll let you guys know if it's good, but I'm just so hungry. So this is one of the buns that I got. It's the salted egg yolk and pork floss. I'm planning on going to Hotpot tonight. I feel like because it's so hot in China at the moment, I don't really have much of an appetite, but I love Hotpot when I'm in Melbourne and I'm here, so I definitely need to have Hotpot. The place that a lot of my friends told me to go is called Hadilao. This is a chocolate bread that I got. I'm not too sure. I feel like it's very noisy, so you guys might not be able to hear me. Look at it. I don't know how to eat this because I feel like I'm gonna get like cocoa powder like all over my face. Cocoa powder. And the chocolate something in the center. Anyway, finally got our tea. I can't really read the Chinese, but it's like a brown sugar one, and it just says like brown sugar something for tea. Give it a stir. I feel like I should have gotten a fruit one, but I had like this place is known for their fruit teas, and I got this and it just tastes like milk and brown sugar and pearl. It's good, but like probably should have gotten something else. So we made it to the Hotpot restaurant. So this place is called Hadilao, and this is a place that all my friends recommended for like the service of the place. And yeah, I'm trying to order my food off this iPad. Everything is in Chinese, but you can actually select like if you want the soup base to be like half, you can do a full one, or you can do one that's like in quarters. So you can do like different selection here, but I think I usually go for half. So that one. And then I'm gonna go like half spicy and half not spicy. Right now I'm trying to pick what I'm gonna have in my hot pot. And there's so much to choose from. So I usually go for this like peanut sesame sauce. I think this is my go-to. We'll do some chili powder, peanuts, coriander, garlic. So I feel like this one has like a really strong flavor, so I usually only do like a little bit just to give it like a bit more of a savory flavor. So yeah, that's the sauce mix I made before. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. I don't know how good this is gonna be. The rest of our stuff is here. It looks like we got a decent selection. So what I'm most interested is that thing over there. It's a kind of tripe over there. It looks like a dirty towel. And then over here is, I'm not sure what that is, but she recommended it. Got the spicy soup, the not spicy soup, some vegetables over there. I think that one is like beef bowl with mushrooms. So I had my phone on the table and she actually put a little like Ziploc bag to protect it from the oil. So thoughtful. I was too excited, so I already started eating this. So this is the Chinese donut, and then I think this is like a sesame ball. And then this one looks like pancake with egg. And then over here I got like savory tofu. I think they do a sweet one as well, but I ended up getting savory. And then I got some cold soy milk. I think that might be like seaweed on top. There's like some scallions. It's silken tofu, but it's savory. It has like a smoky flavor. I was not expecting that. And then the last thing I got is this like rice roll over here. It's actually pretty big. I didn't expect it to be like this big. And it's glutinous rice on the outside. This is so hot to hold on to. But pretty much it's like Chinese donut in the center. And then there should be pork floss. So I'm in a little puppy cafe at the moment. And they just have all these cute little puppies. Look at them. They were all on me before. Hey, stop stepping on your friend. And then sausage dog. I love sausage dogs so much. And there's a cute little corgi on the other end there. But yeah, they're all so sweet. So I'm sure you guys can hear that, but it's actually pouring right now and there's like a thunderstorm. I'm here at this milk store and I got a sesame milk. The bottle and packaging is so cute. But right now we're just stuck here. It's just like a shop on the side of the road and I saw it on an app and I thought it looked really cute, so I just had to come here. And then as soon as I got here, it started pouring like... Can you guys... Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. The rain is so heavy right now. So I guess I'm just gonna stand here, drink my sesame milk, and then hopefully the rain will stop by that time. And I keep getting bitten by like mosquitoes. It's so itchy, like my whole body, like I just got bitten on my, oh my god, can you see that? I just got bitten on my elbow. Anyway, I'll drink this and let you guys know if it's any good. So I just got back to my hotel room and I see all these packages because I've been buying a ton of random stuff on Taobao. One of the orders I placed like 2 days ago and it's already here, and then some of them just take like a day to get here. So gonna open this up. Very excited.